Is Smart View not working on your Samsung phone? It's important to fix it because Smart View lets you easily share your screen and enjoy content on a bigger display. Don't panic. I've got simple step-by-step solutions to help you get it working again. So let's get started right away. Solution 1. Turn on Nearby Device Scanning. First, go to the Settings, tap Connections, scroll down, then tap More Connection Settings. Here is the Nearby Device Scanning. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 2. Clear the Smart View cache. Again, go to Settings, tap Connected Devices, then scroll down a little bit. Tap Smart View, then tap on the three dots from the top right corner. Tap Settings, then tap About Smart View from the bottom. Now, tap eye icon from the top right corner. Now scroll down, tap Storage, tap Clear Data from the bottom left side. Then tap Delete. After that, go ahead and check whether it is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General Management, scroll down again, tap Reset, scroll down, now tap Reset all settings, then tap Reset settings. Again, tap Reset. Wait for a while. Hope this was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for tuning in.